Cleaning sprayer components. It is important to clean the sprayer and sprayer components after use. Before cleaning, disconnect power to the air compressor. Double-check that the air shutoff valve is in the off position. Disconnect the air hose from the sprayer. Unlatch and open up the rear cap to remove the texture cartridge. Pull and slightly twist the cartridge to remove it from the sprayer. Remove the spray tip, front cap, and front gasket. Take out the cleaning brush from the case. Using mild soap and water, clean the front cap, front gasket, and spray tip. Open the rear cap. Use a damp cloth to clean the rear gasket, maintenance valve, and sprayer body. When storing the sprayer for more than one day, remove the front and rear gaskets from the sprayer and put them in the case.